Hey friends, hey, let's hang out on Monday for an exciting sit and fit class together. It's been a while, so we're kicking off a special summer crash course. Incorporating a health and fitness program into our lives can be simple. And here's a plan. 1, it must feel easy to do. 2, it has to be fun. And 3, we need to see quick positive results. If we meet these 3 criteria, we'll stick with our wellness habits. Let's jumpstart your summer with Sit and Fit. Imagine that bikini hidden in your drawer finally seeing sunlight. Don't wait until fall and winter make it harder to get started. Our summer crash course is the perfect opportunity. I've created Sit and Fit, the alternative to floor work, to show you how you can achieve weight loss, flexibility, and more energy without hitting the gym. Results in 90 days or less, guaranteed. But first, this message is different because I'm here to support you, no matter where you are today. Here are 2 simple shifts to help you lose weight and boost energy. Shift number 1, start slowly and gradually increase. When I started, I didn't know how often or what exercises to do. Thankfully, I had amazing mentors. Sit and Fit guides you through health and fitness with a unique approach, starting with a chair. Begin slowly and build up to free movement without pain. Shift number 2, mind over matter. During my first marathon, I hit a wall at mile 18. My legs wouldn't move despite my determination. But I didn't quit. I pushed through and recovered. You can do this too. Commit to starting your journey today. Schedule your workout and follow through. Okay, no more teasing. Let's create your summer crash sit and fit challenge. Let's do it together. Put Monday's challenge on your calendar at 9 a.m. to join us at our Sit and Fit Facebook group. The link is below. And confirm your spot. Just click the link. And I'll share all the tools and habits you need to get Sit and Fit. Don't forget to click the link to confirm your spot. This is a free event. Just show up, ready to work. Bring a strong chair, your water bottle, and workout gear. Thanks, you guys, for being part of our community. It's an amazing community. You're the reason why I'm excited every day. I can't wait to hang out with you on Monday at 9 o'clock here on the Sit and Fit Facebook group. All right, click the link. Go ahead and confirm your spot. Talk to you later.